delete uploaded files in Canva. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can delete uploaded files in your Canva. So to delete your uploaded files in your Canva, you have to follow this step. So go to your Chrome and open up your Canva here. Go to your Chrome and search for the Canva. Once you are on your Canva, you have to log into your account here. So on the top right, on the top left, there is a 3-line option. You have to go for that. And here you have to click on the project option. Go and click on the project. Once you are on your project, you can see the folder option. Under the folder, you can upload files and photos here. So here you can see that this folder is empty. So if you want to add and upload the files in your Canva, you have to go for the top right 3-dot option here and go for the upload here. So you can use your files and media to upload off your file and go and upload your file here. Once you have uploaded your file, you have to click on that file and you can see the delete option here. You have to go for the delete and you can move it to the trash. So with the help of this simple step, so here you can see that the folder has been empty. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily delete your uploaded file in your Canva. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.